Hi everybody, welcome back. I am Akanksha and this is Infi Desires Doodle. Today we'll see how to draw emoticons or emojis step by step but with a little twist. Let's get started. If you are here for the first time, go check out my channel. I am Akanksha and I share simple doodle lettering artwork and DIY videos. Now with that out of the way, let's get started with our video. So today we are going to draw different emojis. With a pencil and a stencil, I'm drawing 3 circles and then 2 of the emojis I am going to draw and then do a little twist to it. So this is the first one that I'm drawing. Then this is the second one, and if we add the two, we get this emoji. So this is how I wanted to mix and match in this video. This is a short video that I've just made, for fun, and this is something which I've experimented with. So watch along the other 2 of the emojis as well, and let me know in the comments what you think about this video, whether you like it or not. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like button if you like this video. Now I am just leaving this with the music. Go enjoy the video. Don't forget to watch it till the end and tell me in the comments what do you think about this. I will see you soon next Thursday. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. I'll see you next Thursday. Bye.